So, hello. Uh, Today I am going to continue the basic server configuration part 2 on how to set up your server in VMware or a virtual environment. So, let's get started. After you set up the IP address, uh, let's try and change the name of our computer. Here. Let's name this CCS DSDC01 and then click apply and then OK. And then after that, we're going to change our network work group to CCS. Apply and then let's just wait. Let's just change it here, CCDS, and then a work group here. Click OK. Now click OK to restart to apply the changes that we have made. Just click restart now. And then after that, let's wait to open the server manager. Here, as you can see, we have changed our computer name to CCSDC01 and our work group CCS. And then now, let's check and let's verify the server configuration, since we have trouble setting up the server configuration. You can just troubleshoot it like this. And then apply this fix. Here we have our network. We only have internet. Let's just wait. And then let's click close. And then next is we're going to verify if there is a internet connection. Let's try to ping the 8.8.8. Here we are getting a response. And then yeah, here we are already done with the basic server configuration. That's all. Thank you.